In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and talking about the MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard. This card promised to give you 4 points per $1 spent on eligible restaurants, grocery, digital media, membership, and also utility purchases until $10,000 is spent annually. My name is Maverick. I'm going to be your reviewer for today, and welcome to today's channel. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor, and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now, you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. Now, talking about the MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard, there are some things you need to know about this card. The first thing is that it has a decent cashback and does not charge an annual fee immediately. I like that, the fact that it doesn't have an annual fee. It's a good one, and it also has a decent cashback for card holders. Another thing you have to know is that you enjoy 5,000 bonus points, $25 in cashback value, all right, after you make $500 or more in eligible purchases within the first 90 days of your account opening, and 5,000 bonus points, $25 in cashback value once you enroll for paperless e-statements within the first 6 days of account opening. That is another thing that you should know about this card. Another thing you need to know is that it has a real cashback you can deposit to an account instead of once a year statement credit. Okay, and another point that I like you to know is redeeming MBNA rewards to e-gift card instead of cashback is the best. Now, a lot of people decide to redeem these to a cashback, but whenever you try to redeem the points to cashback, it's kind of more degraded. Okay, but if you redeem it to e-gift card, it's going to help you in earning more. Okay, because whenever you redeem to cashback, you lose points value. When you convert to cashback, you lose a lot of points, which you could get so much more value redeeming them to $200 Walmart e-gift card. Considering if you shop at Walmart, okay, you can decide to redeem them to $200 Walmart e-gift card. All right, now another great conversion is the $100 Amazon e-gift card, okay, or $100 Hairso e-gift card. So you get a lot more value by doing this than redeeming to cashback. This is just like a secret hack for you, my viewers. Okay, not a lot of people know this, but in case you shop at any of these wholesale clubs like Walmart, Amazon, then you can do the trick. All right, you can use their e-gift card and you can earn more points. The points will be more valuable and you can use it to make a lot of purchases. All right, however, if you're all about the money to be in the bank, it's not also bad. Maybe you just want your money to be in the bank, then you can decide to just redeem it to a cash. All right, now that is it about what you should know. Talking about my opinion about this MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard. Now, their online interface is not that encouraging. Okay, they do not have a very sleek online interface, and a lot of customers have kind of complained about that, and which I think they should try as much as possible to work on. Okay, and another part you should know is the support is not also too encouraging as well. Myself, I was thinking maybe it happened to my cousin, but I got to realize that even a lot of people complain. I was in a group and I've got a lot of OPs also complaining that the support is kind of so bad. I think they should try as much as possible to work on that. It will help them go a long way, because the support can be so bad, and support is the first thing that every customers want, right? And another aspect, which is my third opinion about this, is it's not bad card. It is not a bad card, and it's very good for those who enjoy enough cashback. If you like cashback, then this is good. You can go for it. Although you need to know that the support is not too encouraging. Just like I said, it is not very much encouraging. I really hope they can work on the support, okay, and also the online interface. Possibly that will help them to boost more. All right, but the the card is not also very bad if you enjoy a lot of cashback. Okay, now that is it about this card. I'm a review about the MBNA Reward Platinum Plus Mastercard, and I really hope this video has been very much helpful to you. If you spend a lot of money, maybe you spend a whole lot of money, you can really enjoy this card. Okay, and the fact that it does not have an annual fee immediately, it's also a good one for you. So that is what I have to say about the MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard. If you have any experience with this card, you can let us know in the comment box. I'm sure it will help a whole lot of people to, a lot of viewers to also make the best decision. Several people are here today because they want to learn more about this card. They want to know if it's the right decision for them to make. You can let us know in the comment box. It will help a whole lot of people. And if you know any other card that offers this similar reward, offers cashbacks like this, as zero annual fee, and is even more good than the MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard, you can let us know in the comment box. If you've tried any credit cards that works well for you, and you had no issue, you enjoy a lot of rewards and cashbacks, you can also let us know. And possibly if the credit cards, or if the brand has a good online interface, okay, and a good support more than the MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard, it will be a good one for a whole lot of people out there, because that way it means they enjoy more benefits, okay, than this. Because support, I really prioritize support, and the fact that they do not have a good support is what is making me a little bit skeptical about even recommending them for you. Okay, but it's not also bad because the cashbacks are much, but you can give them a trial. Okay, a trial is not bad. Okay, but you can always give them a try. Hopefully, I'm sure that maybe their support will get good from time to time. But myself, I've experienced with my cousin and several other hoppies also complaining of that. But I hope they fix their support. I hope it's gets better so that it can be easy for beginners or people who are novices to easily use their interface without any glitches. So thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this and tutorials regarding credit cards. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who might possibly be looking for something like this, so YouTube can push it to those people the more, and they can use it to make the best decision when it comes to MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck in all your ramifications, and also your credit card journey. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you maintain a good and standard credit score and a very fabulous credit record. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.